Welcome to today's cryptocurrency news. Cryptocurrency prices today.
The price of Bitcoin, BTC, to US dollar, USDT, has increased by -0.95% compared to the same day last year, while the price of Ethereum, ETH, to USDT has decreased by -1.84% compared to the same day last year, and the price of Binance Smart Chain, BNB, to USDT has increased by 8.68% compared to the same day last year.
Latest news.
Xterio's NFT project Persona launches today. Xterio's NFT project, Persona, is set to launch today, February 22nd ND. The whitelist minting will open at 1400 hours, and the public sale will begin at 2201. The auction price range is set between 0.069 and 0.29 ETH. Persona is a core series NFT in the gaming ecosystem developed by blockchain game developer Ethena, and holders will receive direct rights to the ecosystem token UNE. Address linked to Justin Sun purchases 87,819 ETH in 4 days. Blockbeats reports that an address with the initial 0x79 has purchased 87,819 ETH in the past 4 days, with an average price of $2,875, totaling around $252.5 million. The most recent transaction occurred 9 hours ago, with the purchase of 16,160 ETH at an average price of $2,906. However, the connection between the address and Justin Sun, the founder of Tron and CEO of Buterin, has not been officially confirmed. Tangibles, USDR stablecoin nears redemption after real estate-backed collapse. Tangibles USDR stablecoin lost its peg to $1, but CEO Jack Singh claims holders can get 90 cents on the dollar paid in DI and 10 cents in Tangibles governance token. The stablecoin was designed to offer extra yield by generating revenue via its UK real estate, but a run on DI holdings left the project short on liquidity. The collapse of USDR last October threatened to leave its holders short millions of dollars. The CEO explains that the tokenomics that underpin mixed asset stablecoins can have upside in good times but can go south in a hurry during a liquidity crunch. The redemption itself hinges on the rollout of Tangibles Basket product, which will allow investors to access USDR's real estate backing on-chain. Investors who hold enough in baskets could burn their NFT and take legal ownership of the property itself. Nvidia's Q4 earnings could impact equities and crypto market. Nvidia's earnings may fail to meet expectations, leading to a correction in equities and crypto. The company's AI-related tokens such as Ocean and FET may also be affected. Nvidia is set to report its earnings on Wednesday, and the market will be closely watching for potential rally. The global PC market is facing short-term challenges, but forecast for rebound starting in 2024. Analysts emphasize the importance of server industry for Nvidia's growth. Nvidia's stock has risen nearly 220% to Pytoshi over the last year, but has down by 10% in the last week. Wall Street analysts have a buy rating on the stock with an average 12-month price target of around $751. BNB surpasses 380 USDT with a 8.35% 8.35% increase in 24 hours. Binance market data reports that BNB has successfully crossed the 380 USDT benchmark, currently trading at 384 USDT, with a 8.35% 8.35% increase in 24 hours. Digital Currency Group opposes Genesis settlement proposal with New York Attorney General's office. Digital Currency Group, DCG, has opposed a settlement proposal by its subsidiary Genesis Global to the New York Attorney General's office. The two companies reached an agreement to settle allegations of defrauding investors earlier this month. DCG believes that the settlement should not be used to redistribute value to priority creditors and that it may have violated the absolute priority rule. The former co-chief of the Attorney General's office and former senior federal prosecutor in New York, Jason Brown, supports DCG's opposition. Ethena Labs raises USDe pool cap to $100 million. Ethena Labs has increased the cap on its USDe pool to $100 million, with the current total value locked, TVL, at $66.25 million. The company's official website also reveals that its TVL has reached $364 million. Grayscale, GBTC sees net outflow, while ARKB and EZBC experience net inflows. Grayscale's GBTC fund experienced a net outflow of $199.3 million on February 21 ST, while ARK21 shares ARKB fund saw a net inflow of $10.7 million. Franklin's EZBC fund had a net inflow of $3 million. These figures indicate a shift in investment patterns, with some investors moving away from Grayscale's GBTC fund towards other cryptocurrency-related funds. The reasons behind this shift are not clear, but it could be due to changing market conditions, investor sentiment, or the performance of the respective funds. As the cryptocurrency market continues to evolve, it is essential for investors to stay updated on the latest developments and adjust investment strategies accordingly. Nvidia's Q4 profits exceed market expectations. AI tokens rebound. Nvidia's Q4 financial report exceeded market expectations, leading to a rebound in AI concept tokens. WLD's price has increased by 18%, RNDR's price has increased by 1%, and AGIX's price has increased by 30% in the past 4 hours. Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin calls for reconsideration of L1 and L2 bug risks. Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin has expressed that the trade-off between L1 bug risks and L2 bug risks needs to be reconsidered. He believes that if an L1 issue arises, developers can recover within a day, while an L2 issue could potentially cause significant asset losses for users. Therefore, Buterin suggests adding some complexity to L1 to reduce the code burden on L2 and make it relatively simpler. Buterin's comments highlight the importance of striking a balance between the two layers of Ethereum's blockchain technology. Press release. Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin has expressed concerns about the trade-off between L1 and L2 bug risks in the blockchain technology. He believes that if an L1 issue arises, developers can recover within a day, while an L2 issue could potentially cause significant asset losses for users. Buterin suggests adding some complexity to L1 to reduce the code burden on L2 and make it relatively simpler. This highlights the importance of striking a balance between the two layers of the blockchain technology, with L1 referring to the base protocol and L2 consisting of off-chain solutions built on top of the base layer to improve scalability and efficiency. By addressing potential risks and vulnerabilities in both layers, developers can work towards creating a more secure and user-friendly blockchain ecosystem. SBF fraud case. New defense attorney appointed, sentencing scheduled for March. SBF, the founder of the bankrupt crypto lending institution Celsius, has appeared in court for the first time on Wednesday. He has announced that his defense attorneys, Mark Cohen and Christian Everdale, will withdraw from his case. Newly hired attorney Mark Mukasey will defend him next month. SBF was found guilty of 7 different counts of fraud and conspiracy in November and will be sentenced at the end of March. Mukasey also represents Alex Mashinsky, the founder of Celsius, who is charged by the U.S. Department of Justice with securities fraud, commodity fraud, and conspiracy to manipulate CL token prices. Mashinsky is set to stand trial this fall. Bitcoin, ZK Rollup protocol Citrea raises $2.7 million in seed funding round. Citrea, a Bitcoin, ZK Rollup protocol, has completed a $2.7 million seed funding round led by Galaxy Ventures, with participation from Delphi Ventures, Taproot Wizards co-founder Eric Wall, and Avail Modular Blockchain co-founder Anurag Arjun. Citrea aims to help Bitcoin better adapt to DeFi, NFT, and other use cases that were previously only possible on smart, contract-based blockchains. The protocol will be built on the Ethereum EVM, making it easier for developers to migrate their applications built for Ethereum and other compatible networks. Citrea plans to launch a test network in the next quarter. Bitcoin could reach $150,000 this year, fueled by ETFs, halving, and Fed rate cuts, says Fundstrat's Tom Lee. CoinDesk reports Fundstrat's head of research Tom Lee believes Bitcoin could reach $150,000 this year, driven by new ETFs, halving, and potential Federal Reserve rate cuts. However, Bitcoin's rally appears to stall below $53,000, with some analysts advising caution. Joel Kruger at LMX Group advises caution in the short term, noting potential volatility due to central bank policies. Swiss block analysts suggest a pullback to lower prices before resuming the uptrend, with a retracement to 40 million wide support level helping alleviate excess volatility.
Thank you for watching today.
Bless the audience to make a lot of money in the currency circle. It is hoped that the audience can grasp investment opportunities, invest rationally, and earn reasonable returns. At the same time, the audience is also reminded that investment is risky and needs to be treated with caution, and they should not blindly follow suit or overtrade.